It's the word, YouTube. It's your boy Trezo. Out here starting up on reactions. If you got any recommendations, let me know in the comments below. Today I'm starting off with Hurricane Wisdom Dangerous. I heard like a few seconds at the beginning. Beat sound tough, so I built it on here. Gangsta. Let's tap in. Without further ado.
Say no to trial, I never do that when I'm older. It's the type of shit we used to say when we was kids. Okay, I'm growing up, realize it's way worse for your sober. This the type of shit they should've said before the deal. Okay, said before the pills, it's okay, you love me still. I at least know love is real, dropped before, it's hard to feel, you know. No, I feel the same, ain't no use feeling pain, you know. My future came with fame, this bitch should've came with a raincoat. This should've came with a warning, my love life just dangerous.
My future came with fame or should've came with a raincoat.
Shit I could change, shit you know I feel the same. Ain't no use feeling pain, you know my future came with fame. This bitch should've came with a raincoat. Should've came with a warning. My love life just dangerous. Everything different, but I'm way richer than yesterday. When it all boils down, I know people change. Bought a crib, 3 cars and got a different bank. Babe, I'm just saying I'm okay. I can take the whole thing, I ain't been getting inside the withdrawals of the taxi staff is taking my sleep. Say no to trials, I never do that when I'm older. It's the type of shit we used to say when we was kids. Okay, I'm growing up, realize it's way worse for your sober. This the type of shit they should've said before the deal. Okay, said before the pills, it's okay, you love me still. I at least know love is real, dropped before, it's hard to feel, you know. You know what I know.
Nah, Wisdom is too tough. He's too tough. Let me run it back one more time. He's too tough.
Say no to trial, I never do that when I'm older. It's the type of shit we used to say when we was kids. Okay, I'm growing up, realize I at least know love is real. Dropped before, it's hard to feel, you know.
I'ma dropping that pack off, man.
You should've said you was feeling
He's dropping that pack off from
too much that I could change. Shit, you know I feel the same. Ain't no use feeling pain. You know my future came with fame. This bitch should've came with a raincoat. Should've came with a warning. My love life just dangerous. Everything different, but I'm way richer than yesterday. Okay, I can take the whole thing, I ain't been getting no peace. Okay, plus I got this family that's depending on me. Never sit down with the just I say don't end up like me. It's out the withdrawals of the taxi staff is taking my sleep. Say no to trials, I never do that when I'm older. It's the type of shit we used to say when we was kids. Okay, I'm growing up, realize it's way worse for your sober. This the type of shit they should've said before the deal. Okay, said before the pills, it's okay, you love me still. I at least know love is real, dropped before, it's hard to feel, you know.
Damn.
If you know what I know.
Man, having kids and getting put behind that cell. Nah, this is fire. I get this a gas. Gas or pass, I get this a gas. It's tough. I'm jacking this. Yeah, that's fire. That's Dangerous by Hurricane Wisdom, man. Original link gonna be in the comments. Appreciate everybody that came through. Drop down what you want me to react to next. Gangsta, and I'm out.